Hello students, in today's video we are going to see another type of pressure sensor. In last few lectures we have seen Bourdon and helical pressure sensors, below pressure sensors. Now diaphragm or capsule type sensor. Such type of pressure sensors are used for very low pressure measurement. They are commonly available in two types, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic are known to have good spring characteristic, and non-metallic are used their use is very rare. You can see here the working of this diaphragm. When the pressure is applied to this inlet, this diaphragm seal, it move to upward. It move to upward direction, in this direction. Okay, so suppose this diaphragm, it is having such a shape, then after giving the pressure in upward direction from this side, the shape of this diaphragm will change, okay, according to the pressure supplied. Okay. And this change in this diaphragm seal is transmitted, the change is transferred to the pointer which gives the signal. Okay, you can see here this diagram, it is a diaphragm seal. When pressure is applied, this diaphragm will change its shape, and the change is transmitted to the pointer, and the pointer shows the pressure on the scale. When a force acts against to this stretched diaphragm, it causes a deflection of the diaphragm, with its center deflecting the most. In diaphragm, the pressure is transmitted through a wave-shaped diaphragm to a link. Then this transfers the pressure to the movement. You can see here in this diagram, you can see one of this example. It is a type of diaphragm. Here the diaphragm seal is here, and this is nothing but pressure inlet. This diaphragm, as I explained, there are two types of diaphragm, metallic and non-metallic also. So in metallic, usually stainless steel is used, and in non-metallic, rubber or plastics are used. Okay. Stainless steel is normally used in high temperature or corrosive environment. If the environment और जहाँ का भी हम temperature लेना चाह रहे हैं, its temperature is high और corrosive environment है, तो यहाँ पे जो diaphragm हम यूज़ करते हैं वो क्या रहता है? It is made up of stainless steel. ठीक है? तो बेसिकली यहाँ होता क्या है कि जो भी प्रेशर हमें यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करेंगे, इनलेट, इट इज़ अ प्रेशर इनलेट, तो वो प्रेशर जाएगा यहाँ पे, ये जो डायफ्रागम, यानी दो टाइप बताया मैंने आपको, मेटालिक टाइप भी ले सकते हैं वहाँ पे हम, या फिर नॉन मेटालिक. तो प्रेशर अप्लाई होने के बाद इसका शेप क्या होता है, चेंज होता है. ओके, सो दिस डायफ्रागम मूव इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. अगर यहाँ से जो है तो प्रेशर सप्लाई कर रहा है तो इस टाइप से वो क्या अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में क्या होगा, इस टाइप से इसका शेप हो जाएगा डायफ्रागम का. और ये जो डायफ्रागम का जो शेप रहेगा, ये जो भी चेंज होगा यहाँ पे वो ट्रांसफ़र होगा यहाँ पे गेयर को, गेयर इज अटैच टू द पॉइंटर, और पॉइंटर क्या करेंगे वहाँ पे स्केल के ऊपर क्या शो करेगा, इसका जो भी प्रेशर ये यहाँ पे उसको अप्लाई हो रहा है वो प्रेशर यहाँ पे स्केल के ऊपर शो करेगा। तो दिस इज द सिंपल वर्किंग ऑफ डायफ्रागम प्रेशर गेज। ओके, so now in the next lecture we will see the next topic of plant utilities chapter paper, that is water analysis.